Hey, what's up? This is J. Lucky Henry. So today we're going to talk about, should your inspector be telling you how much something costs, or should they be just inspecting? Get ready. This is J. Lucky Henry, Keller Williams agent in the greater Boston area. You won't believe how many people need to get real. REAL, Real Estate Explained, amazingly by Lucky in 90 seconds, give or take. Welcome back, it's J. Lucky Henry. So when you're considering purchasing a property, you're most likely going to get it inspected. So today we're talking about what inspectors do. Inspectors inspect, like Go Gadget, they inspect. So they're looking for everything, right, that could possibly potentially go wrong with the property, like we talked about in this video up here. Now, the real issue is, should inspectors be telling you how much something costs in order to get it fixed? So do they know, and should they be telling you, are two different things. Most inspectors, right, and appraisers and things, they work in real estate, whether in construction, as agents, or banking, or some form or facet. They work in a career adjacent to it. Sometimes, of course, they can just be an inspector, but a lot of them have experience from other areas. So when it comes into, okay, this back porch needs to be replaced, they might know the cost of the back porch, and they might be able to accurately, without a doubt, tell you it's going to cost XYZ, because maybe they own a construction company, or they work for one, or they used to. However, when acting in the role of an inspector, their job is not to give you prices. Their job is to tell you what is wrong, inspect it, and give you that report. So now, if they start writing a report with all the prices, that would be a violation of what they're actually supposed to do. So they don't do that. They can tell you this is wrong, you should get a new one, but it's up to you, the consumer, to go out and get quotes and get pricing from professionals who are acting in their trade as that. Now, if your inspector happens to be the person who you want to do the work for some reason, you can sit down with them and have that conversation where they disclose that they are able to do both, and you have to see state by state, it's going to be different. But check that out and make sure you're aware, when your inspector's inspecting, they don't give prices. Outside of that, different conversation. So it's been real, it's been 90, gotta go. We'll be back tomorrow with another video. This is J. Lucky Henry, and I'm here to keep it real with you. Whether you're looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate, call or text 978-712-0244 and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more. Another way they ask me how I know it'll be okay.